Designing a professional letterhead in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful way to enhance your brand's identity. In this video, I'll take you through each step to create a clean, polished letterhead template from scratch. Here's what we'll be covering. To begin designing your letterhead in Adobe Illustrator, open the program and go to File, New. In the New Document window, click on the Print tab, which is preset for high-quality print settings. Choose your document size as either A4 or letter. For this example, we'll select A4, 200 by 297 millimeters. Make sure to set the unit to inches if it's not already selected. Next, set the bleed to 0.125 inches on all sides. This bleed ensures that there is a slight extra margin around the document edges, which will help prevent any white edges after trimming. Under Color Mode, select CMYK, the preferred mode for print projects. For raster effects, choose 300 ppi to maintain high-quality resolution. Click Create to open your new document. After setting up your document, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar to create a background shape. Click and drag to draw a rectangle that covers the entire document, including the bleed area, ensuring it extends slightly beyond the edges for a seamless background in case of trimming. Next, to keep this background locked while designing, go to Object, Lock, Selection. Locking it prevents accidental movement of the background while you work on other design elements. Now, with the Rectangle tool still selected, draw another rectangle. To apply a color, click on the color picker in the toolbar to access your color options. You can easily fill the colors in the shapes using the swatches panel. So I have already chosen 3 colors for the design. Now, with the Rectangle tool still selected, draw another rectangle to add more design elements. Use the color picker to fill it with one of your chosen colors. Next, go to Edit Copy to copy this rectangle. Then select Edit Paste in Front to create a duplicate directly on top of the original. Adjust the angle of this duplicate by rotating it to achieve a more dynamic layout. Position the 2 rectangles on top of the original background rectangle as desired. Then select the Line Segment tool and draw a line across the 2 angled rectangles where you'd like to divide them. Now switch to the Selection tool and select both the line and the 2 angled rectangles. With these items selected, click on the Shape Builder tool from the toolbar. To delete the extra parts of the rectangles below the line, hold down Alt and left-click on the unwanted areas to remove them. To clean up your design, use the Shape Builder tool to delete any extra areas of the rectangles that extend outside the bleed. Select the rectangles, activate the Shape Builder tool, then hold down Alt and click on the areas outside the bleed to remove them. Next, select all of the design elements and group them by going to Object Group. This will allow you to move them as a single unit. Now, make a copy of this group design by selecting it and using Edit Copy, then Edit Paste. Position the duplicated group at the bottom of the letterhead. With the copy selected, go to the Properties panel, find the Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical options, and apply both to mirror the design. Finally, use the Align options in the Properties panel to align this duplicated design element in the center of the letterhead. This creates a balanced, cohesive look on both the top and bottom of the page. Now, it's time to add the finishing touches to your letterhead design. Place your logo on the page, ensuring it's positioned within a safe distance from the edges to keep it clear and readable. Using the Type tool, type out the company name and place it near the logo, following the same margin guidelines. Next, add the slogan below the company name to reinforce brand identity. For efficiency, use the pre-written text for the letterhead's body and lay out it cleanly on the page. At the bottom of the letterhead, add the contact information, such as the address, phone number and email, making sure it's aligned and within the safe margins. With all elements in place, your letterhead design is now complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more graphic design tips and tutorials.